From the following frequency distribution table, find the lower quartile, upper quartile and interquartile range. This is a kind of question wherein you have got class interval. Earlier we were doing with class mark or the direct data which had some frequency in the tabular form. If it is class interval, then yes, what do we need to do is we need to draw graph the way we used to find median. Similar way we can find the quartile, right? The way we found median with the class interval, this same procedure that is there to find out, that is quartile, because quartile is 1/4 and median is 1/2, simple. So what do we have to do is we have to make a table of this with cumulative frequency, and after that we'll draw an algebraic graph, okay, and then after we'll find it out. So let's see how do we put the let me put the table for that is cumulative frequency first. All of you know how to draw the cumulative frequency. So this is the cumulative frequency that we have drawn here. So we can see that the first one, class interval 5 to 10, has frequency 3. So it's 3 here. 10 to 15, 4, 7, right? 4, this will become 3 plus 4, 7, and 15 to 20, 20 to 25, these are all written here. And then we have to draw the cumulative, write down the cumulative frequency. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 7 is 29, 29 plus 1 is 30. So how many data are there? 30. So divide 30 by 2. So what do we get? 15th. So 15th term. 15th term is going to be there. Where is the 15th term? This is the 13th term is until here. So 15th term is after 13 but less than 22. So it will be here. Fine. It will be here in this case. So where it is exactly, somewhere lying between 20 and 25. So we have to find it out. How do we find it out? We have to first draw the ogive and then we can find it out. But this is median. I'm sorry, we don't have to find median in this case. We have to find quartile. So for quartile is 1/4. First quartile is what? First quartile is 1/4 of 30. Fine. So how much is that? This will give you 7.5. 7.5. So this is what we have to use the, it will be somewhere here only between 15 and 20. And the second quartile will be 3/4 of 30. So how much is that? So 7 3 are 21, 22.5. Right, this term. Okay. Just we see, we don't, it's not the term in it, we cannot find it out. We cannot find the term here, but this is the one which will be there after this. Okay, so we have to draw the ogive. There's nothing to do with this one. Okay, so let me draw the ogive here on the board. So this is the ogive graph that we have to draw. How do we draw the ogive graph? We draw it with less than, right? So we'll do it like this. We'll take the less than part here, less than 10 and cumulative frequency, which is there. You can see it is here, right? Less than 10, 10 and 3. 10 is the class interval, 3 is here. Then less than 15, that is 15 and 7. You can see this is 15 and this is 7, right? Right, so we have to mark it here. Now then is not the point here, don't worry about that. And then is the 20th and 13. 20 and 13 here. Then is 25 and 22. 25, this is 25 and 22 here. Point. Then is 30 and 35, right? Sorry, 30 and 29. So this you can see 30 and 29. This is the one here. And the last one is 35 and 30. So class interval is 35 and the cumulative frequency is 30. You draw the ogive here, since okay they have put a kink here, not an issue with that. Now what you do is you draw the graph. Now we found that the first quarter is 7.5. So 7.5 is what? The cumulative frequency here. So where is the cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency here, so just mark 7.5, draw a line parallel to x-axis, wherever it intersects on the graph there on the ogive, from there you draw a line parallel to y-axis, and you find there is something coming as 15 point something, right? We'll just check what exactly is coming up here. Same way, this is the first quartile, the third, it's not the second quartile, it's the third quartile. Second quartile is a median. Third quartile will be 3/4 of this, and 3/4 is what? So how much is that? 22.5. So just take 22.5 from here, draw the line parallel to x-axis, wherever it intersects. From there we have to draw a line parallel to y-axis, and wherever it intersects, this is the value that we have here. It is something coming around 25. So we'll see what exactly is the value here, and then those are the medians that we have here, right? So those are the, sorry, not the median, they are the first and the third quartile in it. So if you see it closely, this 15.5 is not exactly 16 also, so we can say it's 15.5. So first quartile, we can write here first quartile, which is corresponding to 7.5 is how much? 15.5. Second, the third quartile is how much? As you can see closely, it is going to be line this one, right? Corresponding to 25.5 here, right? So this is 25.5. So what is the range in it? So interquartile range, or we can simply say range. So right here, interquartile range is third quartile, or we name it as Q3 also, minus first quartile. So we write it Q3 minus Q1. So there is an answer in it. So what is the Q3 in it? Q3 is 25.5 minus 15.5. So it will give you how much? 10. So interquartile range is, or simply I'm writing range here, how much? 10. So this is the answer here. This is the answer for the first part. This is the answer for the second part. This is the answer for the third one here. Okay. So we have got the answer here for all the three questions in it, which is first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, upper quartile, lower quartile, upper quartile, and we can call it the lower quartile, right? Upper quartile, and this is interquartile range. Fine.